If you are tired of the two-button gymnastics every time you want to capture your screen, this is the ultimate hack for one-handed use. So we are going to enable a floating shortcut button that stays with you in every app. First swipe down open the settings. Tap on the setting and then scroll all the way down until you see accessibility. Click on that. So tap on the interaction and dexterity. So this is the place where magic happens. So look for the assistance menu and toggle and flip it on. So immediately you will see a small transparent circular button appear on your screen. Now click on that and you want to take a screenshot, then click on this icon and here it is. So now don't just stop there, let's optimize it. Tap on the actual word assistance menu. You can change the size of the assistant menu size from clicking there. This is the medium, this is the large one, but it is much better to take extra small so it won't distract you. You can even adjust the transparency so the button doesn't distract you. So now whenever you need to save something, just tap that icon and take the screenshot. Or you can also turn on show as edge icon. The icon has been on the edge of your phone, just tap on it. Now the screenshot menu will appear. You just click to take the screenshot. So it's instant and effortless, and it is the best way to handle a screen as massive as the Ultra without ever shifting your grip. So this is the best way how you can add screenshot shortcut in Samsung mobile phone.